The beltless system, patented by Roboze, increases its performance by increasing the precision to 10 microns and ensures repeatability of movement over time. The rack and pinion improves the precision, reduces wear and tear, and increases the rigidity of the surface layer with the advantage of maintaining the toughness in the core and increases the printing speed by 20% compared to the Extreme series. The automatic calibration system of the Z-axis allows to identify and set the machine to 0. As a result, positions of the extruder with respects to the build plate is automatically controlled in a consistent manner over time. The process is repeatable and does not depend on the type of extruder wear or the wear of the polymer film. Therefore, it is repeatable over time and eliminates operator error. The system is patent pending. The Argo 350 3D printing solution is equipped with a vacuum plate which is used to ensure the flatness of the first layer of the print. It also helps with speeding up the mechanics of the setup and part removal operations. Supported by the accuracy of the beltless system, the Argo 350's build plate features an auto leveling system which, in addition to eliminating operator error, increases the repeatability of the parts even if produced in different cycles of time. This operation leads to the elimination of warping and having a perfect first layer. The build volume of the Argo 350 is 350 by 300 by 300 millimeter. The patent pending HVP extruder is designed to reach 450 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the Argo 350 has optimal conditions for printing composite materials such as PEEK, Carbon PEEK, and Ultem at high temperatures. The extruder allows for better overall heat, reduces wear, and increases the grip and pulling force of the filament. All this translates to an increase in the printing reliability and a more consistent flow. In order to have a control or more repeatable process, the Roboze production systems are equipped with an insulated heated chamber, capable of reaching temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius in just 2 hours. The system has been designed to control and manage the shrinking and tension you typically find in polymers produced in extrusion. The result is a safe, high-quality printer with the simple machine operations. In addition, the presence of a thermal regulator allows to control cooling ramps at the end of the 3D printing cycle, so as to integrate the annealing process. The Roboze high-temperature filament dryer is a galvanized steel device designed to dry the filaments and preserve their properties in a stable and reliable environment during the entire 3D printing process. This system is completely integrated into the printers, enabling them to load the filaments and change the spools automatically. All the operations carried out by the machine, including the printing process, are tracked by a print log system, an integrated reporting system which is integrated into the production series. It keeps track of printing parameters, temperatures, trends, and allows for the repeatable and controlled process, leading to a quality certified on each individual print.